As the month of March is winding up today, it is obvious that we cannot exhaust the plethora of styles we've got in our kitty to all the fashionistas on this platform. We just have to try to dish out as much as possible for you to have that maximum styles, inspiration, and to see what our fashion designers are capable of, for you to see how resourceful they are, for you to appreciate their ingenuity when it comes to fashion. Best of African fashion at that. And in this very video, as those as are rolling by, we decided to do lace fabric. That is, all the styles you are going to be seeing in this video are going to be predominantly made with lace fabric and turn into super gorgeous, awesome, delectable, stunningly stylish styles rolling by on your screen. So this very video has a lot to do with gorgeousness, and we all know that fashionistas on this platform are sometimes like to show their uh, fashion sense in different ways. Why you can see fashionistas rocking skirt and blouse, rocking midi and long gown dresses on a normal day. At the same time, in respect to Nigeria here, you can also see them putting on fabulous and gorgeous styles like this made with lace fabric, and mostly to wedding or burial ceremony. That is where you get to see how fashionable Nigerians can be, and this very video depicts that accurately. So as usual, sit back, relax, and enjoy what's brought to you in this very video. We have sparkling white lace, we have velvet, and so on, all put together for your delight. And all praise and credit in this video goes to our fashion designers who put all this together. Enjoy it. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and subscribe if you are new here. And don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. And leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Fundamentally, share this video for also even spread the trend of African design styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh. I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.